In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect audio on Google Meet. Whether you're participating in a large online meeting, hosting one, or you simply need a moment of silence without leaving the call, controlling your audio connection effectively is key. This walkthrough aims to give you a quick, simple way to manage your audio settings, ensuring a seamless Google Meet experience. First things first, let's get you into Google Meet. Open your preferred internet browser and type in meet.google.com, hitting enter. This will take you directly to the Google Meet landing page, which is your starting point. Google Meet is a powerful, reliable video conferencing tool, so knowing how to navigate and manage your settings is incredibly beneficial. Once you're on the Meet landing page, you're greeted with a few options. For this tutorial, we're going to start a new meeting. Look for the New Meeting button, which should be fairly prominent on the screen, and give it a click. This is your first step towards creating that space where you connect with others virtually. After clicking New Meeting, you'll see a drop-down menu with a few options. We're interested in the Start an Instant Meeting option. This is perfect for when you need to jump straight into a meeting without scheduling it in advance. Click on Start an Instant Meeting, and Google Meet will set up a new meeting for you, providing you with a unique, secure meeting link. Now let's dive into the audio aspect. Once your meeting is up and running, take a look at your web browser's URL bar. Near the right side, you should notice a small audio icon. This represents the audio settings for your current tab, and in this case, it's where you can manage your Google Meet audio connection. Click on this small audio icon to access your audio settings. Upon clicking the audio icon, you will see options concerning your site's permissions, namely the microphone. Here's where you can control whether Google Meet can access your microphone. To disconnect your audio, simply turn off the option for the microphone. This action effectively mutes your audio on the Meet, ensuring that no sound from your end is transmitted to the meeting. And there you have it. That's how you disconnect your audio on Google Meet. Remember, disconnecting your audio is different from muting yourself within the Google Meet interface. When you disconnect your audio through the method we've just discussed, you're telling your browser not to allow Google Meet to access your microphone at all. To reconnect, just follow the same steps and turn your microphone access back on when ready. Before we wrap up, here's a quick tip. Always check your audio settings before starting a meeting, especially if you're the host. This ensures you start on the right foot without any unexpected surprises. This guide aimed to help you manage your audio settings on Google Meet with ease, whether you're seeking a bit of quiet time during a busy meeting or troubleshooting audio issues. Now you know exactly what to do. No more scrambling to mute or worrying about unwanted background noise. With these simple steps, you're in full control of your audio experience on Google Meet.